This is Mednova, but currently we've changed the name to Radinex, a medical radiology intelligence platform. And Radinex, we have two sides. We have the patient side and we have the client side. That is Radinex for business. Yes, we registered as Mednova, but due to the use of Mednova has many sites, then we changed it to Radinex. Now, this is the patient side. In the patient side, a patient can book appointment with any diagnosis centers. Diagnosis centers are listed here. You put your area, your location, the types of scan you want to do, and it will connect you to your closest diagnosis centers. And as a business owner, as a diagnostic healthcare center, if you want to register with Radinex, you just have to register as a diagnosis center, which you will message the admin that, yeah, I want to be part of Mednova. I want my diagnosis centers to be using Mednova. So for the patient side, this is their own dashboard. The dashboard of clients is different from the dashboard of patient. Let me sign in to my account. Signing into my account. Password. Sign in. Okay, got in. So this is the dashboard for patient side, for client side. At client side, you will have your management, your radiology center management. You can manage everything on this dashboard, eradicating manual work, no use of papers again. They will do everything digitally and everything will be stored on cloud. This is their dashboard. The total booking, this is a demo account. The total booking they will have, their active patient, their pending cases, their completed scan, the revenue that they have, and also the workflow status. So this is the dashboard. Now, appointment. From the patient side, which is this, if anybody make an appointment, it will show in this dashboard. Somebody has um, booked for appointment. So any appointment that is confirmed will show, anyone that is pending will show, anyone that is in progress will also show. And the calendar, anybody that booked for any appointment, it will indicate in the calendar without coming to the appointment. If you go to calendar, you know that today is Tuesday. All the scans that have been booked on that Tuesday will show on the calendar. This is the patient, all your patient that you have in your diagnostic centers. It's here. So the imaging, this is AI. You can use AI to analyze images faster, helping radiologists um, reducing the cost of time. According to our research, millions of hours are being used in analyzing scanning images every year. So with Radinex, we can reduce that millions of hours to 1,000 of hours. So instead of radiology using hours to analyze the image, he can upload the image on our AI and it will analyze the images for him in just seconds. And he will use a minute to just review the analysis and then do the final result. Then the scheduling. This is where you can see all your schedules, the available slots, the booked slots, the machines and the technicians that you will have. So these are the notifications. Anybody that has if any a booking enters, it will show in the notification board, and the urgent cases will also show, and everything that is needed will also show here. These are the analytics. The revenue, as the people are booking, they will be paying, so it will be accumulating, it will be calculating all the revenues. This is the revenue, the total scans, the average scan, the patient satisfaction, because patients are going to rate them. So the revenue trend, if you want to know how many sales you make in January, it has its own statistics according to the way um, booking are entering, and also how you have been recording your revenue and your users and the bookings, that even though they come from physically, you can still upload it so that it will generate and calculate your revenue. By January, you will know the revenue you make. February, you will know the revenue you generate. The March, the revenue you generate. April, till any month you want. And the type of scan that has been coming to your diagnosis centers every time, it will also show. Like CT scan will have probably 322 320 scanning. MR scan can be 450. Ultrasound scan can be 200. So you can have anything you want. Then there are some diagnosis centers that have different branches. That is enterprise. Probably you have a branch in Sokoto, you have a branch in Kwara, you have a branch in Lagos. So you can register all your branch in one dashboard, and they will have their own different logins. You, the general admin, can register different branches of that same diagnostic centers. Like for example, this is the main branch, which is active, the north branch and the south branch. So it have different branch. Then we have the settings. From the settings, you can edit your information, your pricing management. For example, if MR scan is 60,000 naira, you can put your own amount you want. You can set your amount, and the amount will be showing here. Like you see, this scanning center, Synlab Diagnostics. This is, they said, 45 to 80,000 naira for MR scan, CT scan, and X-ray scan. You see, if you want to change, you see, MR scan is 85,000. The whole body, MR brain scan is 55,000 naira. So this amount you can still change them from your pricing management here. And also the branding settings, you can customize your logo. Your Instead of Radinex here, your name of your diagnosis centers will show there. If you want to change the logo, you can also change the logo there. The user management, if you want to add your diagnosis center, radiologist and any team members, and give them roles. Probably this one will be the admin, this one will just be the spectator. You can use that in the user management. So this is what Mednova is all about. But Mednova has been changed to Radinex because Mednova has many sites on internet. That is the reason why we used Radinex. Thank you.